Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. We are making spicy barbecue wings. Start with 2 pounds of chicken wings. Separate the flat from the drumette. You can also remove the wing tip if you like. Place them in a large mixing bowl. We need to season the chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Lawry's seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Stir to coat the wings with the seasoning. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes before cooking. I'm using a 5-quart pot with 2 quarts of oil. You can also use a deep fryer, and I have my temperature set to medium-high. Carefully add the chicken to your pot or deep fryer and let them fry for 15 to 20 minutes. Midway through the cook time, move the chicken wings around to ensure that they cook evenly. While we wait, let's prepare the sauce. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's Original, a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. I'm using Texas Pete, 1 tablespoon of Red Chili Flakes, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and mix well. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the oil, let it drain off, and add it directly to the large mixing bowl with the spicy barbecue sauce. After you have all the wings over into the bowl, stir until they are all coated. At this point, you can serve them, or if you want to give the wings a more grilled effect, place them on a pan with a rack, set your oven broiler to high, put the wings in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Do keep an eye on them so you can have them to your liking. Flip them over and let them get nice and toasty on the other side. Remove them from the oven and serve. As usual, thank you for joining us here at Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.